Hello again, my crafty friends. Welcome back to Embellishments on the 11th. This is a collaboration put on by Deb Houck of Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, where several of us make videos and share them all on the 11th of every month. It is Christmas time. Fantastic. I have made wreaths. I only made two, as my dryer sheet technique did not work, as you can see. This is my pine bough, very intricate, as well as this is what I made the base of. Kind of like you just go to the craft store and buy one of these, and then you add your greenery to it. Then I also used beautiful Nuvo drops. I've got my white blizzard, mustard gold, grotto green, holiday cheer, even though this is more of a purple, and Rudolph's nose. And I also used this to make my ribbon with. It's really handy. And I use my glue dot to attach the ribbon. You will see different pictures of my process. I will try to make cards with these and put them on camera. I'm not sure at this point, but I know I'm definitely going to make one for my dad. Hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.